In today's fast-paced world, it can be increasingly difficult to stay present. We seem to have lost our connection with each other, and we fill silence with noise. With all the ways we're connected, I think we're more isolated than ever. The world has gotten small, yet the space between us feels impossibly wide. I first heard about the Camino de Santiago when I was in Los Angeles sometime around 2010. I heard Emilio Estevez and his father being interviewed on a radio station. 7 years later, I was in Italy drinking wine on my terrace, and one of my guests was talking about the Camino de Santiago. I was compelled to go. I was curious, and I was 54 years old. Here are a few other pilgrims who were compelled to go on the Camino de Santiago. And then maybe it's just this. I have always felt a strong connection to nature. Just always. Also, I've always felt a deep connection to the creatures of nature, a quiet reverence for them, almost in a Hindu sense, as if each one carries a spark of the sacred. They are utterly amazing miracles. I don't follow any religion myself, but being the sentient beings we are, I understand man's need for it, and I have a deep respect for the beliefs of my fellow man. I find meaning in different ways, through nature and human connection. If it were 1847, you might call me a transcendentalist. I believe nature is the divine, and I find sacred in solitude and truth in personal experience. I am shy and introverted by nature, but there on the Camino, I am forced out of my comfort zone, which is a good thing. Interaction with my other pilgrims, my species, is the lifeblood of the Camino. And as an added bonus, I get to make videos for you guys, which is something I've always loved to do. The Camino de Santiago is my walled-in pond. It is definitely my happy place, filled with adventure, surprises, and determined fellow pilgrims. Come along and join me on my third Camino Francés. I'm so glad you're joining me. I'll be posting a video each evening to my YouTube channel. Do subscribe so you're sure to get notified. I travel to Spain tomorrow.